Thermal stabilization initiated on schedule.
Seals are holding steady at T0.
Acknowledged. Monitor for condensation bloom.
A massive robotic arm ensures the titanium blocks are meticulously cleaned and thermally stabilized before the critical CNC machining phases.
The precision-forged titanium pieces are subjected to an ultrasonic bath, preparing the surfaces for integration into the J.
This bulkhead matches the schematic.
Confirmed. All components verified and ready for assembly.
Automated systems precisely cut and terminate the complex wiring harnesses.
Alignment on bulkhead 7 confirmed.
Laser tolerance is within parameters.
Locking sequence initiated.
Laser guidance confirms centerline intersection.
Copy that.
Proceeding with the final descent sequence.
Rack secured in base 7.
Initiating power-on self-test sequence now.
Confirmation. All indicators showing green status.
Look here, just forward of the weapons bay. See the inconsistency in the RAM coding?
Yes, logging that now for review.
Here we see process B. The wing assembly is sealed within the vacuum bag, ready for the...
Full range of motion achieved.
Acknowledged. Actuators are responding perfectly.
The massive composite wing maneuvers slowly into position. The specialized alignment fixture extends its guide.
Alignment confirmed. You are clear to proceed with the mating sequence.
The integration of process A and B is flawless.
Agreed. The structural integrity is confirmed.
Alignment check on Module 2.
Showing green on all parameters. Proceeding with final lock.
Check the fluid pressure on the main line here.
Reading nominal. All green on this side.
The digital readout confirms the measured weight matches the calculated specification within tolerance, ensuring readiness for flight testing.
Watch the clearance on the port wing.
Got it. Secure the forward cradle.
Covers ready for attachment.
Winch engaged, tension holding steady.
Starboard side clear. Continue forward.
Final positioning looks good. Set the clamps.
Clear the exclusion zone. We are proceeding with the engine dry crank sequence in 3 minutes.
Engine startup successful. All parameters nominal.
Flawless integration confirmed.
Copy that, J-35A. Runway is clear. Roger, roger, taking the active.
As the J-35A executes a rapid turn, its stealth profile remains unbroken, highlighting the success of...
Altitude warning. Pull up. Acknowledged.
Post-flight inspection initiated. Wing surface clear. No stress fractures visible. Tail assembly confirms structural integrity.